Can we use your vacuum?
Brooklyn. All of us kind of underdressed. It's whatever. We'll survive.
See that sign?
Yeah?
Down.
It's like... Sailboat points going over there.
Natural boat!
Chasing me!
They're running towards us.
Obviously. We're over here now. Oh, so we're getting ferry tickets now to cross the river. Oh, thank you.
No.
I like how they're like subway stops, but they're on water. Okay, we're off. Hello, Manhattan. How was that?
I hate boats. Hey, we're so wrong now. So many people here that I feel like you can be as weird as possible and still not be the weirdest. No one cares. Yeah. Literally scream right now. Do it! Is that a challenge? Yes! Wait. Maybe not when we're in the fight to enter this room. I watched this streamer talking about how like safe she is, even though she was like alone in the dark. She just screams out like, I'm weirder than all the weirdos, and then she just screams out Sasti. I don't What?
He's filming too.
Did you do that when you were kidding?
What do you expect, huh? You film people, they wave at you. Why is he so weirded out? I thought he'd be amused. I wanted candid footage. This guy's ruining my shot. This guy.
I don't remember. Die Hard 3. This is where they all.
Pizza time.
There, Joe's Pizza. We're gonna get the pizza time pizza. This is, you saw us in Spider-Man. This is where Peter Parker worked. And then he was late and got fired. The Spider-Man pizza.
Surprised you understood me. No.
We just started moving. Yeah, there's a horde of zombies going toward the door. You can see a bunch of scammers. They're trying to scam people, but this is a free ferry.
Let's go, Spider-Man.
Yeah, Arm. Hey, Vulture, please do not be on this. Oh, it actually looks like I'm on the Spider-Man one.
Welcome to Staten Island, Ferry.
We're going back. We spent like, I don't know, like 3 minutes on Staten Island and we have to go back. Oh shit. Oh no, let us in. Let us in. Let us in. We are the survivors. Oh, that was the one we got off. Now we're getting on this one. Shield. Where's the Captain America shield? I thought they added that. Oh, that's nice. That's good.
She has a hell of a view.
Okay. We're done with Staten Island Ferry. Okay.
Yeah.
Grand Central Station. There we go. Grand Central Station.
So this is where the Madagascar animals went, right?
It's grand and it's sensitive.
We're gonna go on
5 train. The next will be 2, 3, 8, Z train. Connection is
see it. And we're not going there, why?
station.
We went out here 5 years ago too. Yeah. 2018.
This way. Oh my. I want to get on that rock. This isn't smart, but I'm just gonna jump. Whoa! Okay, I'm in the Central Park here. That's so cool. These two are too scared to go on this rock, but look how fucking cool this view is. Look at what they're missing out on. But also, how the fuck am I gonna get back? Okay. Is that Oli? What's up there?
This is the John Wick place. Someone probably got killed here.
That's steeper than it looks. So Nevin,
Yeah?
how does this compare to 2018 so far?
It's better than 2018. Of course it's better than 2018.
Carnegie Hall!
This one. What? Bruh! Oh wait, how much? I'm definitely getting this. And this. We're gonna eat there. Why? Because every time we come to America, we need to eat McDonald's. It's a prime delicacy of this country. They have so much shit that we don't have. America, we always have to have McDonald's. When are you going, like now? So weird. Before the left for a BTS concert, and I'm here at a McDonald's by myself. I didn't know what to do. I didn't have anything. They said I could go to Times Square. So, let's go. So many tourists. I was literally just watching that like 6 days ago on TV. It's Tom Holland! Tom Holland has a backpack. Hey Tom, hi Tom. It's probably like a 35-year-old man in that.
Spider-Man at home.
Why do they take their masks off? That ruins the immersion. What the hell is that? I am kind of getting flashbacks to 2018. I'll tell you a story. Well, in October of 2018, I was literally an 18-year-old kid just a few months out of high school, and I'll admit that I'd lived a pretty sheltered life. This was basically my first time outside Ontario without family, much less alone. But New York, with its towering skyscrapers and ceaseless energy, didn't care about my sheltered past, or the fact that I was just starting to spread my wings, and I had this stark realization that the world was much bigger and more intricate than I'd ever imagined. It wasn't just a physical exploration of a new place, but also a pivotal moment to my self-discovery journey. That lone walk through Times Square's dazzling billboards and luminous chaos is something that I've never forgotten. It was a daunting feeling, but also quite liberating.
Can we meet again, Times Square?
Will they look at books? I'm gonna go to Nintendo. Switches. The Wii was my childhood and I still play it. The Wii is the best console ever. Oh, Switch Sports. Them in the bookstore. Let's see if we can find them.
We're here to scare Nevin. He's right there. Let's see how long we could like follow him without him realizing. How much is it?
So I don't know where Hawkeye jumped from. It was one of these buildings, but he jumped onto the tree and the tree fell onto the skating rink. Hit you?
What's happening over there?
I think he proposed.
All these people are looking at a stupid proposal?
Free people, they sell slaves here or something.
We're going to the Grate.
Great what?
And you're gonna like it, or I'm gonna throw you down the Grate.
Can't.
Nah. You'll sue me from the bottom of Grate? Good luck finding a lawyer down there. Well then I'll hire like a cheese lawyer.
It's MetLife, look. That's where they superimpose Avengers Tower onto in the NYC skyline. Chrysler building.
We're getting close. Are you excited? Excited to see the famous Grate?
Attraction.
This is the point of the entire trip. Which one is it?
You don't even fucking know.
There's 4 of them here. Great.
The most famous subway Grate in the world.
Guess what? Wrong side of the street. None of these are the Grate. You're excited for the real one? That was the decoy Grate. It's gonna be your new home after we throw you down it.
It's kind of toxic.
Literally. There's toxic waste down there. Great, you like it? Isn't it great? It's not great? You satisfied with the Grate? You want to pose and do the picture? You don't want to do the picture?
No.
You want to show the
Only if
picture?
you do it.
I'll do it.
So after exploring Times Square, I ventured to Port Authority bus terminal where I'd retrieved their bags. Let's read some of my snaps from them. I'm trying to move these 3 bags and I look like a damn idiot. Okay, how do I get them down the stairs, LMAO? I was wearing 2 backpacks as well. Hope you're enjoying your concert. I guess this is what I get if I'm not a BTS fan. Okay, some guy just picked them up and started helping me randomly, but at the end he demanded $5 off. Freaking New York people.
The next stop is
We're in Brooklyn. And I really need to pee, but I can't. Looking for a washroom. I mean restroom. I need to still get used to this terminology.
I'm never gonna get used to it.
Yeah, it's washroom. That's the correct term. I don't even know where we are. We're so desperate for a washroom. Where the hell are we? Oh, look at Bobby. I don't know what this is, but it looks cool.
So we didn't find the washroom, but I think we found something cooler.
What a view. I'll pee into the cup at this point. It is cool. It is cool. 2 bridges. Oh, there it is. Restrooms.
Sabrina let me wave around the army ball.
What does that mean?
Say light stick.
Light stick. On the bus we can't be loud, so we might as well get it out here. I want aisle seat.
You want aisle seat? Okay, Sabrina's gonna sit with stranger.
And we hit a deer and we might get another upgrade.
Well, time to go back to Philly. Thank you. All right. Nice, man.